Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Let's begin our maths class. We are going to continue with chapter number 8, Comparing Quantities. Today, our topic is profit and loss. We have learned percentage and simple day-to-day problems on finding percentage. The concept of percentage is also applied in buying and selling goods. Every businessman earns something when he sells his good at higher price than the price at which he bought them. So, let's learn what is cost price. The price of an item at which a shopkeeper purchase is called its cost price or CP. Next is selling price. What is selling price? The price at which an item is sold by the shopkeeper is known as selling price. Next is gain or profit. What is gain? Gain and profit is one and the same thing. When the selling price is higher than the cost price, means selling price is greater than that of the cost price, profit is earned. And the formula for the same is gain is equals to selling price minus cost price. Gain or profit is equals to SP minus CP. Next is loss. When the cost price is higher than the selling price, means cost price is more as compared to the selling price. The shopkeeper has purchased the thing for more rupees as compared to that of the sold price, then that shopkeeper earned the loss. How to calculate the loss? Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price, or in the short form we can write L stands for loss. Loss is equals to cost price CP minus SP. Let's start with one question. Find the gain when cost price is given to us equals to rupees 600 and selling price is equals to rupees 750. In this case, they have already given us that there is a gain, but if we have to check whether it is a case for gain or loss, we will see the cost price as well as the selling price. In this case, selling price is more as compared to the cost price. So this means he or she has earned the gain. So let's start with the solution part. Cost price is given to me equals to rupees 600 and selling price is given to me equals to rupees 750. Since selling price is greater than cost price implies gain. So he has incurred the gain. How to calculate the gain? The formula for the same is gain is equals to selling price minus the cost price. So that is equals to rupees 750 minus 600 is equals to rupees 150. So gain is equals to rupees 150. Next question is find the loss when cost price is equals to rupees 700 and selling price is equals to rupees 658. We can observe that in this case cost price is greater than compared to that of the selling price. So this implies he has incurred the loss. So let's start with the solution part. Cost price is given to me equals to rupees 700 and selling price is given to me equals to rupees 658. In this case, cost price is greater than selling price implies he has incurred the loss. How much loss? So let's calculate. Loss is equals to cost price minus the selling price. So that is equals to rupees 700 minus 658. That is equals to rupees 42. Our next question is find gain or loss. We have to calculate whether in the given condition it is a case for gain or loss. After that, also find gain percent or loss percent. We have to find the gain percent. If it is a case for gain, we will calculate the gain percent. If it is a case for loss, we will calculate the loss percent. So let's start with the solution part. In the given question, selling price is given to me equals to rupees 1200 and cost price is equals to rupees 1000. So we have seen that selling price is greater than cost price. So that implies it is a case of profit. So we will calculate the profit. The formula for calculating the profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. That is equals to rupees 1200 minus 1000. That will give me equals to rupees 200. So profit is equals to rupees 200. Now we have to find the gain or the profit percent. So formula for the same is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. So we have calculated the profit equals to rupees 200 and cost price is given to me equals to rupees 1000 multiplied by 100. So profit comes out to be equals to 20%. Hence, gain is equals to rupees 200 and gain percent is equals to 20%. Our next question is the cost price of an item is rupees 50. It was sold at a profit of 12%. Find the selling price. In this case, cost price is given to us equals to rupees 50 and profit is also given to us equals to 12%. We have to find the selling price. So, the formula for calculating the selling price is it's 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 multiplied by cost price. So 100 as it is, profit percent is given to me equals to 12% upon 100 and cost price is rupees 50. So selling price comes out to be equals to rupees 56. Now let's quickly revise the formulas which are going to be useful in exercise 8.3. We have already done profit is equals to selling price minus cost price and profit percentage is equals to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100 and selling price is equals to cost price multiplied by 100 plus profit percentage upon 100. But when we have to calculate the cost price, formula is 100 into selling price upon 100 plus profit percentage. But if it is a case for loss, loss is equals to cost price minus selling price and loss percent is equals to loss multiplied by 100 upon cost price. Whether it's a profit or loss, we will divide both the cases by the cost price because everything depends upon the cost price only. Similarly, we will calculate the formula for selling price as well as cost price. So, students, you are going to get similar questions in the assignment. Till then, thank you. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.